Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. So today in this video I would like to explain in detail on MCQ on drilling machines. So this is our session number 7. So if you want to prepare some kind of examination like GAT, UPSC, GPSC, all government examinations, so first of all subscribe my channel and share to others. So now we will start with our question number 1. Drilling is an example of option A simple cutting, option B uniform cutting, option C orthogonal cutting, and option D oblique cuttings. So basically drilling it will be considering as a oblique cutting. So that will be at some angles. So you can say that option D oblique cutting. If you want to learn in detail for single point cutting tool or difference between orthogonal cutting and oblique cuttings, so you will find a link in my description box. Now second question. Drill diameter is measured over the option A main body, option B plain shank portion, option C margins at the drill point, and option D heel. So basically drill diameter is measured over the margins at the drill point. So according to this, the option C that will be indicating as a right answer. Then next question. The best way to check the sharpness of drill of tungsten carbide tip bit is to be option A inspect it physically, option B test hardness, option C drill a test hole, and option D judge into the finish. So basically for checking a sharpness of the drill of tungsten carbide, you should drill a test hole. So by physically it will be not possible. By testing of the hardware hardness that will be also not possible, or you cannot be judged for the finishing of that particular tool. So if you want to check sharpness of the drill of tungsten carbide tip bit with the help of drill a test hole. So performing the operations in short. So the option C that will be the right answer. Then next question. Kerosene is a good cutting fluid to use when drilling. Option A cast iron, option B mild steel, option C aluminium, and option D brass. So kerosene is basically used when the working onto the aluminiums, not only onto the drilling, or you can say any kind of cutting you can performing onto the aluminium job. So kerosene is the best way to controlling the heat as well as by flow of the chips. So kerosene with aluminium. So option C. Then next question. A drill having flat side and two cutting edges for drilling large holes is called as a option A micro drill, option B spade drill, option C boring tool, and option D deep hole drilling. So basically for micro drills that will be used for micro holes into the jobs. So that will be as a we discussing as a questions. Option B that will be the spade drills. So just you can say spade drills, it will be having a flat side as well as two cutting edges for the drilling a large holes. Borings that will be the single cutting edge generally used to enlarging the existing hole, and deep hole drills, so it will be using single fluid to performing the deep hole drilling. So basically for higher L by D ratio that will be used. So in case of these questions, spade drill having a flat size and two cutting edges for drilling a large holes into the job. Then we will see the next question. The groove in the body of the drill which allows the chips to come out is known as option A, chip breakers, option B, lip, option C, fluid, and option D, chip followers. So basically the cutted portion, or you can say chips, to come out with the help of fluids. So just you can see, this is our drill. So such kind of shape it will be providing onto that drill. So by the cutting operations, the removed materials, so this is our workpiece, this is our drill bits. So by cutting of that particular materials, it will be coming out of this. So this is called as a fluid. So the right answer is that groove, it will be indication as a fluid of the drill bit. Then next question. A taper shank drill is removed from the drill spindle by option A, tapping the drill by a hammer, option B, a screwdriver, option C, a draft, and option D, a drift. So basically for removing a taper shank, that will be used as a drift. So option D. So such kind of drift, it will be inserting at the end of that particular spindle. So that will be used to removing the taper shank. So for more details, you will find a link in my descriptions. Then next question. For drilling glass, slate, ceramics, and masonry, following drill is used. Option A, twist drill, option B, spat drill, option C, tungsten carbide tip, and option D, hardest steel drill. So basically for working onto the brittle materials like glass, slats, ceramics, and masonry kind of components, or you can say materials, generally the higher hardness material is being used. So as a tungsten carbide tip tool is being selected for easily performing the operation of drill. So the option C. So if you like this, then subscribe and share both the mechanical engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.